MVC. MVC is like a restaurant. The chef cooks the food, the waiter serves it, and the manager coordinates everything. MVC stands for Model, View, Controller. The view shows the UI, the model handles data, and the controller connects them. Here's how it works. User taps Login. The view captures it. The controller handles the logic, asks the model for data, and updates the view with the result. The problem is Android. Activities often become both view and controller. UI, logic, navigation, networking. Everything ends up in one place. That's how you get a massive activity. Hard to test, hard to maintain. MVP. MVP is like having an assistant. Your assistant handles the work and reports back. MVP stands for Model, View, Presenter. The key idea is moving logic out of the activity into a presenter class. User taps Login. The view tells the presenter. The presenter talks to the model, then tells the view exactly what to show. The view is now passive. It only displays data. MVP was huge around 2015. The downside? More code. Every screen needs interfaces and manual wiring. Cleaner than MVC, but heavier. MVVM. MVVM is like a smart mirror. When you change, the reflection updates automatically. MVVM stands for Model, View, ViewModel. The view observes the view model. When data changes, the UI updates on its own. User taps Login. The view informs the view model. The view model handles the logic, updates its state. The view is observing that state. When the state changes to success or error, the UI reflects it instantly. This is what Google recommends today. Most modern Android apps use MVVM. Why? View models survive screen rotations. Testing gets easier. The learning curve is steeper. You need to understand observers and state. But for most apps, MVVM is the sweet spot. MVI. MVI is like an assembly line. Everything moves in one direction. MVI stands for Model, View, Intent. Every user action becomes an intent. That intent is processed, a new state is created, and the view renders that state. User taps Login. That becomes a login intent. The system processes it and produces a new state, loading, success, or error. The view observes and renders the UI. Data always flows one direction, intent to model, to state, to view. This makes behavior predictable. MVI works great for complex fintech apps, dashboards. The downside is boilerplate, lots of intents, lots of states. For small apps, it's overkill. But when complexity grows, MVI keeps things organized.